cold, it's raining, it's windy. Me and Devin are out here. We're the only real ones out here. Either we're real or we're real dumb. One of the two. I haven't decided yet. I can't tell. We're gonna go see if we can get on any redfish or any trout. It wasn't raining that bad when we pulled up, and now it's raining. So this sucks. I hate to say it, but it does suck. So we'll see how long we're out. Perfect slot. Perfect slot redfish. Back in the creek now. Redfish love these back creeks. Captain Devin over here gonna put us on them. He's the only motherfucker who come out here and say, hey man, let's go fishing, come on. It's not that bad, come on.
If I'd known the conditions were this bad, I'd say, fuck this, yeah,
Dirtier?
Yeah. I got a bunch of frozen shrimp in my freezer.
Yeah. Got him.
Fish? Hell yeah. That's a good one too.
Feels like a trout, honestly.
It's a redfish.
Yeah. Ooh, pretty good. There we go. spots on him. He's got 4 on that side. Whoa. 3 on that side. Real pretty fish. I mean, he barely tapped it. If I didn't have that braid, I'd have never felt it.
It's cold.
Not bad.
My hands hurt myself.
Yeah, really?
I want to pull my phone up and try to check the ties, but I don't think I can tap on my phone without my fingers.
I'll check.
Because this outgoing tide can't last much longer.
Yeah, I'll check it real quick. Nice. Oh, there you go, Dev. Sorry. Yeah, he's bad. Oh, yeah, nice one. No. Nice one. Real pretty fish. Got it. Nice one.
I don't even think they're sitting right here. I think we're just catching them as they're moving through
Yeah.
here. Here, you just let it sit and wait for one to swim past it.
Yeah, right.
Instead of trying to have to catch one casting it from 2 sides.
Oh, real pretty blue tail. Man, this whole video is just gonna be me filming Devin catch fish, man. I gotta get my skill up.
Definitely picking it up right off the bottom.
Yeah. I'm gonna tie on a bigger one.
I got some little bucktails.
Yeah, I'm gonna tie. I'm gonna put throw one on. I know, right? I swear we're catching the same fish over and over again. Same 15-inch redfish over and over again. Oh, we want the big one. Where's the big one?
No, like really. Yesterday I was catching this many this fast, but they were all big in the same exact spot. They didn't move spots, they just changed sizes.
Right. Let's put on a clinic over here. Boy, Dev putting on a dang clinic, man. Maybe I need to go on that side. Or maybe I just need to get better at fishing. What do you think? Dude, you got him dialed in now, man. Oh, he's a little better. You got him absolutely dialed right now. Nice, good hookup.
They're not thumping it super hard, they're just kind of tapping it. Enough to where I can feel them, but it's not shaking my whole rod.
I know. Devin's put on a clinic over here. I said, you're putting on a clinic over here, man. When your hands are cold as shit, them knots are getting a little bit harder to tie. We're good. Yeah, for sure. Yep, that makes all the difference. Yep, that just little change made all the difference, man. You got it? Nice. That makes all the difference, that weight. There's our third. There's your limit right there, Dev.
Still don't fish it for that, though.
Hell yeah. That's a good fish, man. Good fish, man. See if he's got a brother right there. No. He's a freak. On the purple. Oh, he's a little bit better than what I've been catching. On the purple. There you go, Dev. Oh, stay in the boat. Yeah, we're pulling him out, huh? Just pulling him out. Yeah, I'd say it ain't bad. I'm gonna need some pliers for him. I got one too. Oh. Yeah, yeah, I mean, shit. Fucking drum, yeah. What the? Do I want it? I'm good, thank you though. I'm good on that. People said we were crazy, Dev. Yeah, I know. Sometimes you gotta be a little crazy. Sometimes.